I'm Tom Carroll with Rovi Homes, showcasing another one of my beautiful listings. Today I'm at 2 Fiddlehead Place in Suffield, Connecticut. This home was built in 2019, and since then the homeowners have put a lot of their own special touches. Let me show you. The first floor is sure to impress with the chef's kitchen featuring café appliances, black leather granite countertops, and a generous size island that free flows into the living room. You will also find a formal dining room, an office, your laundry, and a half bath. Enjoy a cup of coffee on the front porch, a grilled dinner on the back deck, and s'mores by the fire pit. Thank you so much for coming to 2 Fiddlehead Place in Suffield, Connecticut. I'm Tom Carroll with Rovi Homes. If you have any questions about this house or any other, you can contact me at the number below. Have a good day.